guys. Morning everyone, it's day 2 of probably the best weekend of the year. The time now is 6 o'clock. We've got our friend in the 220 there, we've got the 612 behind, and then we've got the Theobalds in there abaft. We're convoying down to Goodwood for Supercar Sunday. The weather doesn't look great, in fact it looks terrible, but it's due to brighten up. We've just left, it's 50 minutes approximately to Goodwood. Weather's still looking pretty shocking. We've got all the cars behind. So this is what happens when you lean out the window on the motorway. I don't know if you can see this or not, but I just like to point out how much spray that 220 kicks in. Actually crazy. So we're nearly at Goodwood, still raining. I've seen some pictures online and there's some awesome... Oh, hello GTL.
I'll just move you out the way.
Goodly balls.
Somewhere here there's a Zonda apparently. No. So yellow laugh has turned up, but you physically cannot see it. so we've left Goodwood, and knowing our luck, it's actually turned out to be quite a sunny day, which is quite annoying, but there's some really awesome cars there. This weekend in general has been pretty awesome. Met up with some friends, seen some awesome cars. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I also did a vlog on the Auto Italia event, which is now online, so I'll put the link down below. So make sure you like the video if you enjoyed it. Also give a comment down below if you've got any advice for me to improve my videos. And also remember to subscribe for much more. And I'll see you guys soon.